GeopByte.
Hi students, welcome to the GeopByte. In this video, I am going to explain the solutions for exercise 2.2 for the chapter whole numbers. Dear students, you try to concentrate while I am explaining the each and every problem. Look at the very first one. The first question is find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Bit A 837 plus 208 plus 363. Bit B is 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. First let us take the bit A. Look at the bit A 837 plus 208 plus 363. Dear friends, the addition need not be done as it is because it is given. You can rearrange according to your convenience. Now I am going to rearrange the numbers like this. I am going to write 837 plus 363 plus 208. I am using the brackets for the first two numbers. Means I am going to add these two numbers first. You may have doubt, sir, why you have selected only these two numbers first? Why not 208 363 or why not 837 208? Because look at the last digit for the two numbers 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 how much my dear students? 10. You are getting 0. It means indirectly this addition gives a rounded figure. Therefore it is very easy for you to add 208 with that rounded number. Now first let us add the 837 and 363. 837 363. What is the 7 plus 3? 10. Write 0 here. 1 carry forward. Add 136. 1 plus 3 4 plus 6 10. 0 1. Add these three numbers. 1 plus 8 9 plus 3 12. Write the 12. I said when I add these two numbers I will get the rounded value. Therefore it is very easy for you to understand or to add the remaining value with the 1200. Now this value equal to how much? 1200 plus 208. 208. Then 1200 plus 208. Now let us add 0 plus 8. How much? 8 only. 0 plus 0. 0 only. 2 plus 2. 4 and 1. It is equal to 1408. That is your answer. That is how you can simplify the problem in the easiest method even if the problem is complicated. I hope all of you understood. Similarly, let us take the bit B. Look at the bit B 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. Now I am going to rearrange like this. First listen. 1962 plus, first I am going to write this value. The reason I will tell you. 1538. The reason why I have written this value is, if I add 2 and 8, I am getting 10. Indirectly, the sum of these two numbers is giving a rounded value. Similarly, plus this number plus this number. 453 plus 647. Use the brackets. Again, let us take the last digits 3 plus 7. What is the 3 plus 7? Again 10. Indirectly, this sum also is giving the rounded value. That's why I rearranged like this. So this can be done by you also with practice. Practice is very important. Now first let us add these two numbers. 1962 plus 1538. What is the 2 plus 8? 10 only. 0, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 3, again 10, 0, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 9, 10 plus 5, 15. Write 5 here. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much? 3. See, I said you na, this sum is giving the rounded value. It is equal to 3500. Similarly, let us add these two numbers. 4, 5, 3 plus 6, 4, 7. What is the 3 plus 7? 10 only. 0, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 4, 10. 0, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 6, 11. 11. Look at the value. I said you know, this is also giving a rounded number, 1100. Now you add these two numbers, this number plus this number. Let us do that. $3,500 plus 1100 plus 1100. 0, 0. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 3 plus 1, 4. 4600 is the answer. 4600 is the answer. I hope all of you clearly understood. Now let us move to the second problem. Look at the second one. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. For this also you can go for rearrangement of the numbers. Bit A, 2 into 1768 into 50. Bit B, 4 into 166 into 25. Bit C, 8 into 291 into 125. Similarly, look at the bit D, 625 into 279 into 16. E, 285 into 5 into 60. F, 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. First let us take the bit A. 2 into 1768 into 50. Look at the bit A. 2 into 1768 into 50. I am going to rearrange like this. 2 into, first I am writing this value because you know 2 into 50 is 100 multiplied by this number 1768. 2 into 50 is 100 multiplied by 1768. It is equal to, write this 1768, put these two zeros, 0, 0. You got your answer. 176800 be the product of 2 1768 and 50. Similarly, let us take the bit B. Look at the bit B. 4 into 166 into 25. Now I am going to rearrange like this. 4 multiplied by 25, because 4 into 25 is 100, rounded figure you are getting, into the remaining number is 166. 4 into 25 is 100. 100 multiplied by 166. You first write this 166, then write these two zeros. 16600 be the value of 4 multiplied by 166 multiplied by 25. I hope all you are clearly following. Now let us move to the bit C. Look at the bit C. 8 multiplied by 291 multiplied by 125. First I am rearranging like this. 8 multiplied by 125. First I am writing this number because 8 multiplied by 125 is 1000. I am getting rounded value. Multiplied by the remaining number 291. This 8 multiplied by 125 is 1000 into 291. The answer is, you first write this 291. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Put them 0, 0, 0. You got your answer. 291,000 be the value of 8 into 291 into 125. I hope you're all clearly following. Similarly, bit D is, look at the bit D, 625 multiplied by 279 multiplied by 16. I am going to write like this. You can rearrange it. I am rearranging like this. 625 as it is multiplied by, I am writing 16 first because the 16 multiplied by 625 is 10,000. I am getting the rounded number. That's why I wrote 16 first, then multiplied by this number 279. Dear students, 625 into 16 is 10,000. 10,000 multiplied by 279. Then you write 279. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros. Put here 0, 0, 0, 0. You got your answer. 279,000 be the product of 625 279 and 16. I hope all you are clearly following. Similarly, the bit E is 285 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 60. It is equal to 285 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 60 is 300. Then what you do is you multiply 285 with 3, you will get some value. After that value you can write these two zeros. Let us do that part. 285 multiplied by 3, 3 5 jar 15, 1 5, 3 8 jar 24, 24 plus 1 25, 5 here to carry forward, 3 2 jar 6 plus 2 8. So 285 multiplied by 3 is 855. You first write that value 855. After writing that 855, you keep these two zeros, 0 0. That is your answer. See how simply you are getting your answer. I hope all you are following. Similarly, the bit F is, look at the bit F, 125 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 25. I am going to rearrange like this. 125 multiplied by this 8. Why I wrote like this is 125 multiplied by 8 is 1000 into 40 into 25. Now I can use bracket for these two numbers, bracket for these two numbers. Here 40 into 25 is 1000. 125 into 8 also 1000. It is equal to 1000 into 1000. You first write the 1000. Then keep these three zeros. 0 0 0. You got your answer. 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 be the value of 125 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 25. I hope you clearly understood. Dear students, I am concluding this video with this problem. In the next video, in the very next video, I will discuss the solutions for remaining problems. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeopByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeopByte.